All right, so today I'm over at Mike Lopez's shop. This is the War Fab headquarters.
Yeah.
So Mike asked me to give him a hand. He is regearing the front end of this Jeep, and he's got big plans for this Jeep. Mike, what you got going on with this thing?
So we are going to race our first year of KOH with this. KOH is doing a cool little rookie program for all the new guys racing KOH. So we decided to jump on that. So we went with the plan of lightweight, small, and nimble, and that's what we're running with. So we're running JK running gear, and yeah, just trying to get everything freshened up. Yukon sent us a bunch of really cool parts for this thing. So we're putting a new locker, new gears, all new bearings, everything. Rob's awesome at this stuff, so I wanted to let him take care of it so I don't mess it up and get this thing ready to go for KOH.
Heck yeah, this is awesome. I'm jealous. I always wanted to race KOH, and I always thought the 4600 class would be super fun. So we'll be out there. We always go out every year, so we'll check in with Mike and see how his race is going and see where we can help out. But I'll be excited to see how this goes. All right, we checked the pattern, backlash, everything's good to go. Hopefully get this thing back together. Got that front diff back in there. Hopefully everything's good to go. Mike's got a little bit more work to do, but anyway, gonna wish him the best of luck.
That's right.
And
thanks.
Hammer's coming up, so anyway, should be fun. Will be fun to watch, see how it goes.